Jonathan Zerke here for Sunbuilt Custom Homes and another episode of New Homes Built Right. Once again, we're out here at our Fraser Valley home demolition project, where today I want to talk about one of the most dangerous hidden things that we found in this home, and that's mold. Where did we find this, and how did it get there, and why is it important? So we found this all along behind the baseboard. So when we stripped the baseboard off and pulled drywall off in this home, in a lot of places we found mold behind the drywall and behind the plastic. So why is that important? Well, mold leads to poor indoor air quality, which leads to respiratory ailments and other health-related issues. So how did it get there? Well, what happens is warm, moist air in your home leaks out uncontrollably through a very poor building envelope. In this case, it leaked out behind the baseboard underneath the plate. And when it hit the cold surface of the drywall from the outside air, it dropped its moisture, or it hit what's called the dew point and then condensate. So now we have moisture building up behind the baseboard, behind the plastic. When we have moisture in the wall, that leads to mold growth, and that leads to poor indoor air quality. The reason why that happened in this home, it had a poor building envelope and it didn't have proper ventilation. Proper ventilation in the form of an HRV, a heat recovery ventilator. And that's one of the most important things that we put in a new home. So remember folks, if a new home is worth building, it's worth building right.